msn.com, clear browsing data on close in Microsoft Edge always leaves msn.com. To stop via msn.com. Alert when clearing browsing data on close in Microsoft Edge, you can try the following advanced tips. 1. Change startup behavior, open Edge and go to settings. Navigate to on startup. Set the page that opens on startup to a blank page or your preferred site instead of the default that may include MSN. 2. Adjust clear browsing data settings. In Edge, go to Settings, Privacy, Search, and Services. Under Clear Browsing Data, select Choose what to clear every time you close the browser. Ensure that cookies and other site data is selected. 3. Disable MSN notifications. Go to Settings, Cookies and Site Permissions Notifications. Under Allow, find MSN and change the setting to block. 4. Edit hosts file. You can block ntp.msn.com via the hosts file to prevent it from being accessed. 5. Feedback to Microsoft. If the issue persists, consider providing feedback through the Feedback Hub by pressing Win+F and detailing the issue. Remember to restart Edge after making these changes to ensure they take effect. If you continue to experience issues, it might be worth exploring the Edge forums or contacting Microsoft support for further assistance. These steps should help you have a more personalized and alert-free browsing experience on Edge.